This is where humans walk. Bam. Uh-oh, there's a truck coming. Run. So say, wade in the water. And it's my birthday. We're walking through a foot of water on the island. It's flooded. This is called determination / desperacies of trying to have good times on a beautiful day. Here, tell me how you feel about the water.
It's nice and warm.
It is actually. It's because all the leeches are eating you. See, we got this big thing. It's gonna weigh 100 more pounds because it's going through a foot of water right now. Oh my god.
It's actually floating.
Good. Hopefully the bread's not getting soaked. What?
Behind us.
Are they coming?
Yes.
Okay.